Teddy and Tilly.
Why is it salty? My tongue regrets everything.
Kittens need the right food to grow healthy and strong. Dog food isn't safe for kittens. They need different nutrients.
I have to find something to eat. Keep searching, Tilly. What's that smell? It smells so good. Wait. This smells amazing. This is it. This is the food. Tiny bites, tiny bites. Best day ever.
Kitten food supports healthy growth, strong bones, and lots of energy.
Okay, brain. Small meals, lots of water, no stealing chicken. Life is hard.
Feed small meals several times a day. Fresh water always available. Avoid human snacks.
Look, clean bowl. I am a professional eater. I deserve an award.
Positive routines help kittens feel safe and confident. Follow Teddy and Tilly for more fun pet care adventures. And let's grow happy, healthy pets together.